Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you my new book, which is ABCD coloring book, which is used for kids. Let's go through each pages of this book. So these are basically for kids to learn letters, alphabets with pictures, and your kids can even color if they want to. So this is how the book looks. This is the rough copy I got it's an author's copy. So if you wish to buy this book, it's available in Amazon. You can order through Amazon. But let me tell you, these are all in different pages. Since I ordered this as a copy, all the images and letters are printed in both sides of the page. But when you get the actual book, you can see that letters will be in one page, and if A is in this page, then B will be in other page. Okay, so each alphabets will be in a separate pages. So this is how the book looks, and it's a very interesting book because kids can learn alphabets. At the same time, they can color the images with respect to the alphabets, and they can even trace the letters. That's how they learn, right? So they can trace the letters which is there. Yeah, so this is the book. Different alphabets. Then what you see is the dots where they can trace it. Okay, so here we can learn capital and small capital A and small a, and there is an image. So if they're learning a letter A, they can learn it as A for apple. Then after that, what they can do is they can color the correct alphabet. So here it's capital A and small a. So what they can do is they can color the small a's which is available here and capital A. All right. And also they can draw it over here. So without any tracing help, what they can do is they can draw letters. They can write the letter what they have learned in this blank sheet or in this blank square. Yeah. So these are the alphabets. Next. So so this is the various alphabets that you see. Now next is this book is very interesting because it's not only about alphabets that you see over here. You can see numbers, and also there are pictures where kids can match the correct picture. So here it's a tomato, so you can ask kids to match the correct picture which is there on the right side. So if it's tomato, they can match it over here. Broccoli, they can match it over here, right? Carrots, so that is there. Then this is a coloring activity where they can color Then it's all about shapes. Yeah, they can trace these shapes. So they can learn what are the different shapes are. Then again, these are the matching game where we can ask kids to match. After learning the letters, you can ask to match cat, ant, car, bag, map, and hat. This is like matching animals. You can ask them to match the correct animals. Now this is tracing and coloring. You can ask kids to trace first, and then you can ask them to color pink, yellow, and green based on what you see over in the picture. Then this is about learning shapes. Again, it's a coloring activity. Then comes about tracing numbers. Now after alphabets, the next thing what they learn is numbers. So they can learn 1, 2. Yeah, so these are the tracing numbers. So after learning alphabets, they can learn numbers. So for kids, they can learn from numbers 1 to 9. So here it's 1, then after 1, what you can see is 9. Okay, so these are the tracing numbers. Then yeah, there's a number 10. Again, they can learn 10 through tracing the dots. And also you can ask kids to cut it and paste it over here in the jar. Now again, this is count and color, which means count the fruit based on the given numbers. So you can ask them to count 5 apples, and you can ask them to color 5 apples as well. So this is count and color. Next is copy and color. You can ask kids to follow the colors over here on this picture. Then comes a kind of badge, or you can call it as a certificate, but more than a certificate, I would say it's a badge. You can tell them that they are awesome because they have learned alphabets and numbers, shapes. Even they learn to match vegetables and animals. So once this task is completed, you can give them this badge. So yep, as I told you earlier, this is the other copy that I've got. So in the original book, or in the actual book, you will see each picture is only on one page, not on both the pages. Okay, so everything will be on a single page. You will not see anything on the left side. All the contents will be on the right side. Yeah, that's it. So it's a very interesting book. It's good for kids, rather than giving them screen time. You can buy this book and ask them to color, match, and even learn alphabets and letters, alphabets and numbers. So yeah, this is the book. If you like it, please order through Amazon. It's available over there. Or those who need this book, just drop me a message on the comment section. I can share you the link, Amazon link, and you can buy it from there. Happy shopping. Bye.